friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw empty polo from Incredibox Sprunki. So first let's get started in the top for the circle for our head, and in the middle we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the bottom. We're going to start back in the center, replicating that, bringing that over and then in on the right. Now for the eyes, on the left hand side we're going to draw in a circle. And then leaving a gap in the middle, we're going to replicate that over on the right. Now in the middle of our eye, we're going to curve this line over and across on the right as well as on the left. And then for the pupil, we're going to come underneath, drawing in a half circle. Now for the eyebrows on both sides, we're going to arch this line down. And then for the mouth in the middle, just curving this line over and up. Let's come down on a diagonal now underneath, and on the right, we're going to draw in another circle. On the left-hand side, let's draw in a small circle for the left eye. We'll leave a gap coming over on the right, replicating that. And then now for the smile, we're just going to draw in a nice big curved line. Moving up above that, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes up under our chin. And then we're going to move down underneath, drawing in another diagonal line that comes out. Let's move over on the left now, drawing in another diagonal line coming all the way over. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw empty polo sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.